The magnets engage, securing the massive coil for transport deep within the climate-controlled facility.
A look inside the logistics center reveals the sheer diversity of components, from intricate electronics to robust braking systems.
The completed man truck chassis frame moves into the surface treatment area for cathodic electrocoating, ensuring maximum corrosion protection.
Place it right on top of the stack. Make sure it aligns perfectly.
Here we see the cabin silhouette as it undergoes the critical primer curing process, baked by intense infrared heat.
The precision alignment guides ensure a perfect fit as the cabin marries with the chassis, a critical step in the assembly process. The robotic pneumatic tools rapidly secure the cabin, with heavy-duty bolts torqued precisely to the manufacturer's exact specifications.
Okay, easy now, bring it down slowly.
Almost there, watch the left side.
Perfect, set it down.
This marks a critical milestone. For the first time, the truck chassis stands on its own wheels, ready for the next stage of assembly. The massive MAN D38, delivering 640 horsepower and 3,000 Newton-meters of torque.
Hold it right there, clear on this side.
Okay, lowering for final seat. And locked.
Precision is everything. The D38 is lowered with tolerances measured in mere millimeters, ensuring a perfect fit.
Make sure the pressure line clears the chassis mount.
Got it. Torque in the reservoir now.
All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Got it. Watch the clearance on that line.
Clear. Hand me the pneumatic wrench.
Are the curtains secure on the track?
Yes, they slide smoothly now. The mattress fits perfectly.
Precision is key as the door panel and climate control systems are fitted into the new MAN truck cabin.
The alignment measurement is precise. Good. Mark that as verified on the checklist.
The new MAN TGX 18.640. 15 tons of German engineering, built for power.
TGX